Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to stake Solana on Binance. Staking Solana is a simple way to earn passive income by locking your SOL tokens and receiving rewards in return. First, log into your Binance account and head over to the Earn section. From there, search for Solana or simply type SOL in the search bar. You'll see different staking options, usually called locked staking or simple earn. Each option will show the duration, like 30, 60, or 90 days, along with the estimated annual percentage yield, or APY. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Longer lockup periods usually offer higher rewards. Once you've decided, click Stake, enter the amount of SOL you want to lock, and confirm your selection. Make sure to review the staking terms, as your funds will be locked until the chosen period ends. After confirmation, your SOL will be staked and you'll start earning daily rewards, which are automatically added to your account. When the lockup period is over, your Solana will be released back into your wallet along with the staking rewards. And that's how you stake Solana on Binance. Subscribe the channel for more videos.